Hello to all my Adaptivity viewers. Today is Madeline Monday, and I'll be interviewing my friend Madeline.
Hey!
On a variety of fun topics. So, sit back and enjoy.
Welcome back to Adaptivities, and today is
Madeline Monday.
And the topic for today, as you can see, is
Lego!
Oh,
Sorry
okay.
if this dragon is blocking the view.
Yeah. So
Sorry, guys.
let's see. What should we do? Let's talk about this one first.
Okay, that is Bulbasaur. You got me that in a set.
Oh, that's fine. I remember. Oh, I love Bulbasaur. He's one of my favorites. Okay. And you put them together really nicely, I see.
Yes,
Yeah.
that is something from a different set from my birthday.
Uh-huh.
That's
All
from my
right.
birthday.
And then we have...
Charmander, which is from the same set as Bulbasaur.
Oh, they came together. Oh, that's cool. Okay.
Yeah, they both came building together.
Awesome.
These two came in separate sets. This
Okay.
is the Water Dragon.
Cool.
It came with the Water Elf, which I lost.
Oh, okay. Okay.
This dragon is, also, a good thing about Legos is you can always rebuild them.
You can. Okay. So how long did it take you to put that together?
A few minutes.
A few minutes.
It's actually a lot less. It didn't have too many instructions.
Oh, okay.
It's a really simple creation for beginners.
Oh,
We're
wow.
beginning to get into instructions stuff. This one, however, had way too many instructions, so I didn't do it. And then when I went back to it, I decided to make it my own.
Oh, okay. That's kind of cool. But it looks really cool regardless. So
Yeah.
how long did that one take with the? Because I had a lot of instructions. Or the
A few
modification.
days, actually.
A few days. Okay. That is really cool. Okay. So obviously, Madeline loves Legos. What do you like about Legos? What is the?
You can always rebuild them.
You can always rebuild them. Okay.
And destroy them and make them into anything you want.
Yes, I love that. And anything else? How would you recommend Legos?
For beginners, I would recommend these big Lego pieces.
The big Lego
They're
pieces.
really good for babies because they won't suck on them. And then for a bit older kids, like older kids who know not to step on me, and for older kids, I suggest tinier Lego pieces.
Okay.
And then if you want to go really small, there's smaller pieces of types of Legos.
Okay. And what's your favorite type of Lego?
This one.
These ones. Okay. So do you like? Now let me ask you a question. I know a lot of Legos have kits where you have to kind of do it in the kit. And then there's the ones that are just a big bucket of them and you make your own design. Do you prefer the make your own design type ones with a big bucket?
Make your own design
Make your own
one.
design ones? Yeah, me too. You could be like a lot of creative with that. All right, so.
Yeah, and in fact, this came from something where there was instructions. I completely ignored them.
Okay. And it looks great. I love it. Okay, anything else you want to tell us about Legos?
No.
Okay, we're good. All right, so that's it for our Legos. Thanks for sharing with us. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
All right, high five. Thank you, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Tune in next week for a brand new episode of Madeline Monday.
They're dancing to the left. They're dancing to the
And then push them toward the camera just a little.
right. Walking to the camera.
Okay, pull them back.
Make 'em move, make 'em move, make 'em
Okay.
move.